Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a hands-on look at Apple's bold new design shift for the iPhone 17 Pro, especially that striking new camera bar on the back. First up, leaks and dummy units that appeared online show the iPhone 17 Pro moving away from the familiar protruding camera bump. Instead, Apple has adopted a full-width horizontal bar design that spans the entire back of the phone. This bar houses the classic 3-camera triangular layout on the left side, while components like the flash, LiDAR sensor, and rear mic have all been shifted to the right. The result is a clean, unified look. Some say more cohesive and better integrated into the phone's silhouette than previous designs. Beyond aesthetics, there are practical reasons behind the change. Early speculation points to the need to accommodate a significantly upgraded telephoto lens, rumored to be a 48-megapixel unit with up to 10x optical zoom. That larger lens needs more space, and aligning the flash and LiDAR separately makes sense with the new layout. On the front end, Apple is also rumored to boost camera performance. The telephoto on the back joins the existing wide and ultra-wide lenses, bringing all three to 48 megapixels. The selfie camera is expected to be upgraded to 24 MP, a big jump from the 12 MP it's had for years. Video creators are in for a treat too. There's talk of multi-cam recording support, letting you capture from front and back cameras at the same time, right in Apple's native camera app. Turning back to design, there's more than just visuals at play. Apple analysts believe the shift from titanium frames to a mix of aluminum and glass might also be in the works, bringing improved durability while keeping things sleek and lightweight. The new aluminum frame with a glass window for MagSafe could hit a sweet spot between elegance and resilience. Cooling and performance may also be improved. Rumors suggest Apple is introducing a vapor chamber cooling system inside the phone and boosting RAM to 12 GB alongside the new A19 Pro chip. That means your iPhone 17 Pro should stay cooler during heavy tasks like gaming, video editing, or rapid charging. And yes, Face ID and the dynamic island remain intact. While Apple hasn't redesigned those yet, the overall package feels like a fresh take, featuring a camera bar, stronger materials, improved cooling, and upgraded optics. We should see this all go official at the September launch event, likely alongside the standard iPhone 17 Pro Max and possibly a new Air variant. So what do you think? Does this bold camera bar give the iPhone a modern edge, or do you prefer the classic bump? Will the upgraded cameras and cooling be worth the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's talk Apple design evolution. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe and ring that bell. Plenty more Apple insights are headed your way. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you soon.